Installation video of fully automatic water tower.
When your domestic water, encounter the following problems. First, the tap water is hot and cold. Second, the tap water is supplied regularly. Third, the pump starts frequently. Fourth, using well water. You need to carry water to our water tower every time. When these situations occur, you can use our pressure tank to solve the above problems. Now, let me introduce to you the installation of our Jingmeng Yuan pressure tank. First, we can see 3 threads on the top, which correspond to the safety valve, pressure gauge, and switch. The function of safety is to prevent the tank from bursting. To protect our pressure tank, the second is our pressure gauge, is to show the pressure in the tank in real time. The third is the pressure switch, is to control the water inlet. The start and stop of the pump. The 3 threaded accessories are not in a left-right order. Below is our water inlet. We need to install a check valve, the inlet of our pressure tank. We need to install a pump. This pump can be a self-priming pump, or a submersible pump, or even tap water, of course. We need to connect a command valve to the inlet to prevent water from flowing back. The right side is our outlet to connect to our household water equipment. The bottom is the drain.
Let me show you the specific installation process.
The hot melt below is the inlet valve.
Install the water inlet. The inlet and outlet are not distinguished. Either one can be used. Installation of the inlet. Make sure the rubber ring is aligned to prevent the risk of leakage later. Okay, the water inlet is installed. The hot melt below is the outlet.
The next hot melt is the ball valve of the outlet.
Install the outlet below. The joint and accessory of the outlet must be wrapped with Teflon tape to prevent leakage. Outlet. The other end can be connected to household water equipment to ensure the water supply. The 3 holes above are safety valve, pressure gauge, and pressure switch. Let's start the installation. First, wrap the thread of the safety valve with Teflon tape and wrap the pressure gauge with Teflon tape. Let's start installing the pressure switch. First, apply Teflon tape to the thread of the pressure switch. Installation of pressure switch. Note, you need to prepare a wire 1-3, 2 and 4-2 power. Its left and right order is not important. Now the elbow of the drain port is hot melted. Now install the drain port. Apply Teflon tape to the thread of the drain, and then screw it on the tank's thread. Now, I will introduce to you the working principle of our pressure tank. First, the pump at the water inlet pumps water from the water source into our pressure tank. As the water level rises, it continuously squeezes the air in the tank. When it reaches the pressure switch, the set stop value, the water pump stops working. As we continue to use water from the outlet, the water level in the tank starts to drop. When the water level drops to the starting value set by the switch, the water pump starts to work. The water starts to pump. This cycle goes on. The whole process can supply water for our entire family